How to compare fractions. In this video, we'll show you how to compare two fractions, to see which is greater, and which is smaller. For this example, we will compare 3/16 and 1/4, to see which is greater. As a quick reminder, the number at the top of the fraction, in this case, numbers 3 and 1, is called the numerator. The number at the bottom of the fraction, in this case, numbers 16 and 4, is called the denominator. Step 1. First, we need to convert both fractions, to have the same denominator. Let's set 3/16 and 1/4 up side by side, so they are easier to see. Step 2. We now need to find the lowest common denominator of both 16 and 4. In this case, that is number 16. This means, we need to convert 1/4 to have 16 as the denominator. To do that, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 4. 1 times 4 equals 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. This gives us a new fraction of 4/16. Step 3. We can now compare side by side, and we can see that 4/16 is greater than 3/16. This means that 1/4 is greater than 3/16. Give this a try for yourself and compare the fractions 2/5 and 5/10 to see which is greater.